Sendspark makes it easy to create AI personalized videos. So you just record one video and then every person who receives your video hears their first name at the beginning, like hi Bethany, hi Brandon, hi Isaac, etc. What you can do in Sendspark is create a dynamic video. So you want to be in this dynamic video section of Sendspark, click create dynamic video, and then start creating. And at the top of this, what you're going to do is add the video that you want to use, that you want to turn into an AI video. And when you record this video, you can see the guidelines here. But basically what you want to do is record by saying, hi, watermelon, and then leaving a brief pause. And what we're going to do in Sendspark is take that watermelon and automatically fill it with your contact's first name. So as long as you have that as the placeholder and then toggle on voice cloning here, we'll just look for that watermelon and replace it for each of your contacts. You also have one other spot to personalize your video. So before uploading your contacts and generating the videos, you can customize the video share page. And this is what people see when they're watching your video. So they're going to be watching it on a page. It's going to have your logo and your branding. And if you want to leave any other placeholders like, hi first name, would love to show how we can help your company, just select on this personalized badge here and you'll be able to use some other contact properties. And then you could say schedule a demo and add a link. It's on sendspark.com, but you could link this to your calendar, like a Calendly link or a HubSpot link so people can schedule meetings after watching. And then at the bottom, you can either add contacts one by one or import a CSV. I would recommend just testing this out before you generate a huge volume of videos. So we give you a sample CSV here. You can use that the first time just to make sure that you're really happy with the way that things sound. And then that way, when you add your full list, you'll know that it's going to be good. And you just click that generate video button when you're done. You'll see the videos start to generate in about a second on the main page. And here, this is a little a progress bar. So as the videos start to generate, you'll see this turn completely purple. You'll know it's good to go. And you want to wait until these videos have fully generated to share them. I guess for obvious reasons, people need the video to generate in order to watch. So just keep an eye here and keep in mind it takes about 5 minutes per 100 contacts. So if you have a huge list you're sending this to, you maybe want to add your file, start generating, go grab a meal or take a break or something, do something else. But if you're just doing a couple, then you can wait. While these are generating, I will show you how you share the videos. If you're sharing them one-on-one, you can click on this dot here, and you'll see some quick share options to copy the link or the linked GIF to the video as soon as it loads. But if you're sending these in a sales sequence or email campaign, you'll want to use this share campaign option and select the platform that you want to use. And then just copy the specific code snippet for that platform and paste it into your template or the email that's going to be going out to multiple people. You just paste in there once and every person is going to see the video that you generated for them. We're basically mapping this email that you imported into Sendspark to the email that you're sending it to in that platform to make sure that everyone sees the right video. So without further ado, I'll show you the results of our voice cloning. This is using my name, Bethany. Hi, Bethany. I just generated this video using Sendspark's AI. So pretty similar to my voice. Here's Manny. Hi, Manny. I just generated this video using Sendspark's AI. Hi, Yamini. I just generated this video using... So you can see that not only are we personalizing the voice for each person, but also when we added the contacts, we added a background URL, and that could be a link to their website for that extra touch of personalization, or you could just use your own website or something that you want to show behind you in the video. And it's a really great way to quickly personalize your video and do this in a scalable way. So we hope you enjoy. Let us know if you have any questions, and happy recording.